And who has to foot the bill?
And they'll foot you with the bill.
Somebody to foot the bill.
Who's footing the bill?
I don't know.
We'll foot your leg bill.
Then I'll foot the bill. Happy to foot the bill.
Someone else is footing the bill. Who?
English Idiom Challenge. What does foot the bill mean? Correct answer is pay for something, especially when it's expensive or not your responsibility. Foot the bill means to pay for something, often when the cost is high or when you end up paying for others as well. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
You are dear to me, like the apple of my eye.
And this calf is no longer the apple of her eye.
Tess, I'm sorry. All I said was that our son, the apple of our three eyes, Martha being...
English Idiom Challenge. What does the apple of my eye mean? Correct answer is someone who is very precious or loved deeply. The apple of my eye means someone who is cherished, treasured, or loved more than anyone else. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Wounds. Okay. Toby, don't lick your wounds.
But see you more. I'm gonna get him back to camp and just lick my wounds and check the damage and carnage to my sled and make a different plan.
All he can do is lick his wounds and struggle on.
English Idiom Challenge. What does to lick one's wounds mean? Correct answer is to recover after a defeat or setback. To lick one's wounds means to take time to recover emotionally or mentally after experiencing failure, loss, or criticism. Examples. After losing the game, the team stayed quiet, licking their wounds in the locker room. She spent the weekend alone, licking her wounds after the breakup. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
He looks scared. Like a deer in the headlights with his pants down.
Looks like a deer caught in the headlights. Kinda like, look like a deer in headlights.
Look like a deer in the headlights.
Looks like a deer in the headlights.
Like a ghost, like a deer in headlights. I don't think Randy...
He's frozen like a damn deer in headlights.
But he froze like a deer in the headlights.
You've lost that deer in the headlights look, Wilt.
Crabtree. Should I develop a deer in the headlights look?
English Idiom Challenge. What does like a deer caught in the headlights mean? Correct answer is to feel shocked and unable to move or react. Like a deer caught in the headlights means to be so surprised, frightened, or confused that you cannot move or think clearly. Examples. When the teacher asked him an unexpected question. He stood there like a deer caught in the headlights. She froze like a deer caught in the headlights when the camera suddenly turned to her during the live show. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
The shit is hitting the fan.
Shit has hit the fan.
Shit hit the fan.
Yes. Shit has officially hit the fan.
When the shit hits the fan.
Even when shit's hitting the fan.
The shit'll hit the fan now.
When the shit hits the fan.
When the shit hits the fan.
English Idiom Challenge. What does the shit hit the fan mean? Correct answer is a situation suddenly became chaotic or went terribly wrong. The shit hit the fan means a situation suddenly became very bad, chaotic, or out of control, usually after a secret or problem is revealed. Examples: when the boss found out about the missing money, the shit really hit the fan. Everything was fine until the media leaked the story, then the shit hit the fan. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Fly again. We'll pull your rank, we'll pull your pilot's license, and you'll be dog. And my dad says, yes, sir. He says, you will not talk about this ever again. This didn't happen. Don't tell your wife, don't tell anybody.
50 years.
Yeah.
How did he?
I'm afraid I'm going to have to pull rank on you. I didn't want to have to do this. I'm with the mattress police. There are no tags on these mattresses.
You ever know me to pull rank on you before, Bernsey?
No, sir.
Well, then take my word for it. This time it was necessary. I got a little job for Frau Hoffmeyer tonight.
Except that that isn't Frau Hoffmeyer.
English Idiom Challenge. What does pull rank mean? Correct answer is use one's authority or position to get what one wants. Pull rank means to use your higher status, position, or authority to make someone do what you want, especially when they wouldn't normally agree. Examples: when the meeting got heated, the manager pulled rank to end the argument. He didn't want to wait in line, so he pulled rank and went straight to the front. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
It's official. My marching orders.
With us, you have learned too much.
You know, our marching orders in Boston was basically take care of the problem.
So we've gotten our marching orders. He would use that phrase.
And I get it. You got your marching orders and you have to do what you have to do. But you don't have to be such a dick. Put that on a plaque and hang it at your next job.
English Idiom Challenge. What does marching orders mean? Correct answer is to be told to leave a job or position. Marching orders means being dismissed or fired from a job, or told to leave a position or place. Examples: after missing too many deadlines, he finally got his marching orders from the boss. The coach gave the underperforming player his marching orders after the last game. Like and subscribe for more idioms.
Did America go, cap in hand?
Fletch. Something we just can't allow to happen. Going cap in hand to the frogs of all people.
English Idiom Challenge. What does go cap in hand to someone mean? Correct answer is ask someone for help or money in a humble way. Go cap in hand to someone means to ask someone for help, money, or a favor in a humble or respectful manner. Like and subscribe for more idioms. English Idiom Challenge. What does put your foot in it mean? Correct answer is say something that embarrasses you or someone else. Put your foot in it means to accidentally say something that causes embarrassment or offense. Like and subscribe for more idioms.